Hello and welcome back to the SimAgent installation video series. This video is created for Linux and Mac users. In the previous video we went through the steps for installing for Windows users. I'm going to cut to a previously made video for Mac and Linux install using Anaconda. So for our Linux or Mac users, you'll need to have Anaconda or another Python distribution installed before you're going to be able to run SimAgent. So if you don't have Python or you're not sure, I would go to anaconda.com and click download. Scroll down and there'll be installers for your particular operating system. You'll just download and install like you would any other software package for your system. So once you've got that done and installed, we can return to our SimAgent site. Go ahead and check it out. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll see a link to the GitHub page for SimAgent. So go ahead and click that. That'll take you directly to the code. You'll want to click clone or download, this green button right here, and then download zip, and save it to wherever you want. We can stick it on the desktop here as well. And this of course will look different on Linux or Mac. All I've got is a Windows to show this process, but it should be similar. So now that we've got that saved to our desktop, we'll go ahead and navigate to that location, and you'll have a SimAgent npi-master.zip. We'll go ahead and extract that. Come in there, and here is all of the source code for SimAgent. You want to then open up your Anaconda prompt that you just installed. In Mac you can type it in the Finder, and I think you can just type Anaconda prompt to get a window kind of like this. So what you'll want to do next is change the directory into where that SimAgent was saved to. So I stuck it on my desktop and then on my downloads folder. So go there, and you'll do an ls, and we can change directory into our SimAgent npi-master. Change directory into SimAgent npi-master, and here you're going to be in the root of that source code directory. So to get going, you'll need to install some of the requirements to run SimAgent, and you can do this by typing pip install -r requirements.txt, and just hit enter. And again, this will just install all of the necessary background code that SimAgent uses to run the code. Alright, so let that run, and at the end of this you'll have a process complete and return to a regular prompt. From here, all you need to do to get SimAgent running is type Python and then SimAgent npi.py, and there we go. You should have a window exactly like before. So this concludes the basic introduction to SimAgent as well as the downloading and installing process. To run your first model in SimAgent, you'll need to check out our next video, link below. You can download the documentation for SimAgent as well as a transcript from the SimAgent Git page displayed here. For any assistance, you can definitely contact me anytime at tbanks@mail.missouri.edu. Alternatively, if you encounter any bugs or would like to see additional features added, definitely just open up a support ticket or an issue ticket on the GitHub page on the previous slide here. So we hope you find SimAgent to be useful in your simulations. Thank you for your time.